Looking to take control of your fitness and health with AI? Cal.ai is here to help. First, open the app and tap Get Started. You'll be guided through a quick onboarding process. Enter your age, weight, height, and daily activity level. Then, choose your goal, whether it's to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply eat healthier. Next, select your dietary preferences. You can choose from options like low carb, keto, vegan, and more. Now sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. Once you're in, you can start a free trial or choose a monthly or yearly subscription to unlock all features. Now you're ready to use Cal.ai. Want to track your calories in seconds? Here's how to do it with the Cal.ai app. Open the app and tap the camera icon on the main screen. Now, point your camera at your meal. Cal.ai will automatically scan your plate and identify the food items. Within a few seconds, it shows you the estimated calories, nutrients, and portion size. If something looks off, you can manually adjust the item or quantity. Once you're happy, just tap Add to Diary, and your meal is logged. It's quick, accurate, and way easier than typing everything by hand. That's it. Use the Cal.ai camera to track calories smarter and stay on top of your goals.